All right, everybody, how you doing? I know a lot of people are inside right now, and you may not be able to have a drink or be able to go out and socialize right now. So what I'm thinking is everyone should at least know how to make a proper drink or margarita, as you can see from my sign that I got made over here. That's what we're gonna be making today, a margarita. All right, so here's how it starts. First of all, I made a little simple syrup. The way that you do a simple syrup really is it's nothing but sugar, water, heat it up. There's a good way to do it if you just like simple syrup. But for what we're doing is, we're doing watermelon. Put sugar on top of it. Just let it sit for about 2.5 hours, all right? You can use strawberries, you can use peaches, you can use pretty much any fruit that you want. You can even use like beets. You just do sugar on top of it. And it's like when a strawberry sits out there for a while and it gets that juice that runs off, it's the same concept. So just put it in there, put it in the refrigerator, and then it makes a lot of juice, all right? So I took a watermelon, did it last night, so it's made a good amount. All right? My wife likes it very sweet. I, on the other hand, like a very salty margarita. So we're gonna make both at the same time, okay? So we're both gonna do watermelon margarita, but I'm gonna add a little bit more to hers. All right, we're gonna split just for the purpose of making it quicker. All right, that's our simple syrup, all right? That's our flavoring. All right, I got some lime juice here. You can use fresh squeezed lime. You can use a sour mix. You can use pre-done margarita. I like these there too. Perfect. All right, a little bit more lime juice. I like mine a little bit more limey. She doesn't, but it's okay. Margaritas also too. Put a little bit of orange juice. That's what your triple sec. Traditional margarita is 2 parts tequila, like 1/3, like a 3/4 part Cointreau. Cointreau is nothing but triple sec or an orange flavor, and then lime juice, and then just shake it. That's really just the basic margarita, but we're gonna add a couple things to it to make it a little better. Orange juice gives a little froth to it. It doesn't make it so sour, it makes it a little bit sweeter. You can actually do pineapple if you wanted to, if you really like it sweet. Let me see, hold on. Tequila. Triple sec. So it's our triple sec. And again, you can use kind of whatever. And this one's like more of a 3/4 part. I'm free pouring because when you free pour, good things happen. That's my theory at least. I just made that up as we went. And then we're gonna do majority tequila. That's a good amount. We're inside right now, so we're not driving anywhere. Another thing is, I like to do this. My wife doesn't know that I do it all the time, but I like my margarita frothy. When I say frothy, a little bit of, I don't like it too just bland. So if you do actually an egg white, sounds crazy, but just an egg white, it doesn't have to be a lot. That one just wants to hold on. There we go. You do an egg white, that will actually make it really super frothy. All right, so we're gonna do that. And what I'm gonna do is, it's called a dry shake. So that means there's no ice in it. I'm just gonna shake it up. I'm just gonna get it kind of really frothy. Close it up. If it spills a little bit, sometimes you can pour it out into the glass or whatever. Shake it up like that, all right? I'll shake it up, leave that in there. The reason I don't have any ice in there is because it will start diluting it and watering it down, so we won't do that, all right? Now again, she likes sugar, I like salt, all right? I'm gonna go ahead, the way that you do it is, make it stick. If you got a lime, or even your triple sec, or you could actually even use water. It won't come out as good though when you do water, so. Do it like that around the edge, and you just dip it in. For me, I have kosher salt. Kosher salt's preferably the best. You can use table salt. I don't think it's that's good, but you can do it. Sometimes when you're inside, you don't have all these things, or if you run to the store, I'm sure there's kosher salt. Salt that one out, but this is our very first one that we've ever done. Because really, we just want to make it so you get a margarita. All right, you just need a margarita. All right, so I'm doing the same thing, but this time I'm putting sugar around hers because she likes it sweet. All right. Then I have this more simple syrup. I'm just gonna go ahead and just drop that at the bottom. It's a lot of sugary stuff. She likes that. There we go. All right. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna shake this again. Put some ice already in the glass. And then I leave a little bit in there. When I dry shake it, I'm gonna put this now. I'm just gonna kind of get it. Let me see, I got a little bit extra. That's really the thing that we're gonna play. And shake it like you mean it. All right. The more you shake it, the more frothy it gets. Whoa, it's so crazy. And also too, it's gonna chill down the drink. So it's gonna get hot in there. So here we go. Pull it out like that. And again, if you feel like it's too sour, then just add more orange juice for the triple sec. If you feel like it's too sweet, add more lime juice, or you can even just do more ice sometimes, or just add more tequila if you really feel like you don't know what it tastes like. So anyway, do all that, cut a lime, put it on the side for both. All right, there we go, margarita. Hope you survive.